Hello student, welcome to today's lecture. Today we are going to understand what is file pointer. So let's start with this topic. So first we understand what is file pointer. So in every file maintenance, two pointers are used. We can say a get pointer, it is used for the reading file, and there is a put pointer used for the writing into the file. So what is job of this pointer? It tells the current position in the file where reading or writing will take place. So we can say these are like a bookmarks. So we always do bookmarks in books. So pointer work as a bookmark for reading and writing into the file. So another name for here is get pointer is input pointer, or put pointer we can say output pointer. So remember this. Then a file pointer in this context is not like a C++ pointer. So here name is similar, but function of C++ pointer is different than the your file pointer. So what is use of this pointer? It help to attain random access in file. We already know if you open file, then it always locate the starting location of your file. But with the help of this file pointer, we can access your file randomly. So that means moving directly to any location in the file instead of moving through sequentially. So file pointer help us for randomly access data in the file. So these are the advantage of file pointer. Now next point is how to use this file pointer. So for using this file pointer, there are some function given. So here are 4 function mentioned. So with the help of this function, you can use a file pointer. First function is ckg, then second function is ckp, then third function is tailg, and fourth function is tailp. So we are going to understand this function. So the function ckg and tailg function allow you to set and examine the get pointer. Means if you want to read a file randomly, then you can use ckg or tailg functions, and ckp and tailp function perform this operation on the writing side. So if you want to write something, then you have to use ckp and tailp functions to perform write operation on file. So here are in short description for this point. ckg moves get pointer, that is input pointer, to specific location with the help of ckg. Then ckp move put pointer, that is output pointer, or we can say these are the put pointer to specified location. Then tailg gives the current position of get pointer, and tailp gives the current position of put pointer. So with the help of these 4 functions, we can use a file pointer. So these 4 functions are important in MCQ test. A question may come on this function. Now next point is syntax for function. This function, first function is ckg. So here are 2 forms we can represent this function, each stream and ckg and you can mention a long value, and here you can mention long and seek directory. Again ckp function, again here are two form we can use this function, and last is tail g and tail p. So here is one example is given. So here the fin is a object of if stream and f out is object of off stream. So here is called by fin dot ckg 30. Okay, means here we'll move the get pointer in if stream to byte number 30 in the file. So it directly move to the byte number 30 in file, and f out ckp 30. So we'll move the put pointer. We'll move the put pointer to byte number 30. So in this way you can randomly access data from file using ckg. Previously we saw how to use form 1 with example. Now in this PPT we are going to study how to use form 2, that is syntax. What is syntax? It's iStream and seek_kg long, and what is seek_dir. So here seek_dir is the pointer offset calls. Okay, so here are pointer offset call mentions with their actions. So if you write iOS : bake, then it go to the start of the file. So here are some example. So fin dot ckg 30 iOS : bake. So what will it do? It go to byte number 30 from the beginning of the file link with the fin. Okay, so directly it go to the location byte number 30. Similarly, if you write fin dot ckg -2, so it go back up 2 byte from the current position of get pointer. So जो भी current position रहेगी उसके backward side 2 byte वो जाएगा. And if you mention fin dot ckg 0 and iOS : end, go to the end of file. So directly it go to end of file, and here iOS : cur means it is the current position, stay at the current position. Again if we mention fin dot ckg -4 iOS : end, so it go backward 4 byte from the end of file. So in this way we can randomly access data from the file. So here again we already saw this first in previous slide, first form, and these are example from the second form. So remember this seek_dir means these are the pointer offset calls. So here are different pointer offset call mentioned. So just you can read this. So we can provide fin dot seek_kg iOS : beg. So move to m+1 byte in the file. So here are 3 points important. Okay, in offset call iOS : beg means go to the start, and ios colon colon cur means the current position, and ios colon colon end means the end of file. So with the help of this file pointer you can access all location present in file.